Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and a perfect website can be made with a suitable WordPress theme. And WP Themes channel bring all great WordPress theme utilities and plugins for you. If you are willing to make a directory listing website, this video is for you. And I am happy to record this video, as this video is going to be 8th video in this particular category, that is for directory listing, and all themes listed on this channel are great, wonderful and widely accepted. So in this video we are going to overview a great WordPress theme called Directory, and Directory is itself a directory listing WordPress theme, and this is a multi-purpose WordPress theme in fact, and specifically made for directory listing websites. So it is the most powerful directory theme ever. It has been said by the developer, and it has been developed by the Chimp Studio. Chimp Studio is Power Elite authors. They are Power Elite authors, and they actually made wonderful WordPress theme. The directory WordPress theme was developed in 2015, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So we can consider this theme as the latest theme according to the latest version of WordPress, and all the compatibility is here for you. In this video we are going to overview the complete installation process, demo data import process, the theme options and the basic customization options of directory multi-purpose WordPress theme. And I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, that is running 2021 WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress as of now, that is WordPress version 5.8.1. and before we start our installation, let us go through some demo websites that has been made using the Directory Box WordPress theme, and these are some pre-made websites available with the Directory Box WordPress theme, and these three are available. First is Directory Box, I'll show you the demo. Second is Directory 2, and this is being the Directory Box website that is using advanced search functionality, and all the standard patterns of directory websites is here, and you shall be getting a complete website and a full feature website, you can say. So everything will be here, and there are multiple demos available, as you can see. And this is being the second demo. This is a classic look of Directory Box WordPress theme, and you can choose any as per your choice and requirement. And the main feature is this search function, and it is really great. Current location, and okay, so we have to overview this function. This is being the advanced and suitable listing page, you can say. Everything is here like a professional website, and actually you are going to get a professional website, so don't worry. And it is a perfect directory listing WordPress theme, of course, and the listing patterns are very clear and to the point, so it shows your content very suitable manner, perfect manner. So this is being the reason that you can choose this theme for your directory website, and it is a perfect theme, of course. You can, so I am going to add these links in form of a single link in the description of this video, where you can follow the link for getting the Directory Box WordPress theme, and you can also take a demo of this website following that link. The theme is also available in a pre-installed manner if you go for a hosting plan, so choice is yours, everything is available for you. And let us begin the installation of Directorybox theme. We have ready WordPress installation for this, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation folder, licensing of course, and required plugins has been given separately so that we may install the plugins directly if we want to manually install the plugins. So it has been provided in the theme pack. Directorybox main theme file, child theme file, and a classic directory theme pack is also here. So we shall be using the directorybox.zip file for this installation, and it is the correct file that you can also use. Okay, so let us begin. And for this we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress installation, click on themes, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to select directorybox.zip. remember the file name directorybox.zip is to be selected. Don't upload the complete folder that you got in the theme pack. This is being a common mistake being done by multiple people, so just be careful. Directorybox.zip is to be selected, and if you are having direct access on your server, that is on file manager or FTP, you can directly upload the theme to the WP content themes folder. So I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size, and yes, directorybox.zip. So theme is really optimized. It is just having 5.04 MB in size, and it is a really great optimized WordPress theme, and the low size clearly shows the quality of optimization that has been done with the code. And yes, this works very fine on the website, and it works fast on the website. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Directorybox folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. We have already extracted its content, and now we have two themes, one is default and one we uploaded in the form of Directorybox. Now we can go back to the theme section of WordPress installation, and we have the box theme directory, and let us check the details. This is Directorybox version 1.8. Directorybox is a complete solution for listing WordPress theme. Not only the front end but back end is of the theme provide complete listing management system. User can set a complete online listing marketplace for users and members. So this is being the introduction, and we can activate the Directorybox WordPress theme now. And upon activation, we got a simple alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to utilize and use the complete feature of this theme. Let us go to that screen. This is being the plugin installation screen, and all 5 plugins has been showed as required, and we need to install all the plugins. So Directorybox framework itself as a core plugin that is required, and it has been developed by the developer itself, so it is coming from external source. The CS icon manager is for icon and listing related things. Loco translate is for translation purpose. Revolution slider for hero image, and WP Directorybox manager is also has been developed by the developer itself. So original theme developer, I mean to say. So I am choosing to install all the 5 plugins in one go. And again, if you are not confident about your server capacity, don't choose to install all plugins in one go. And if you are ordering the Directorybox WordPress theme at WP Themes channel, you shall be getting the same quality server as you are watching on the screen. So let us go for the perfect hosting plan, and this is strongly recommended that you should have a suitable hosting plan for your WordPress website, because without speed you are not going to gain anything, and speed is directly associated with the hosting plans that you have. So now let us install the plugins. I have selected all the plugins and selected install, and now click on apply. It may take a bit time, but yes, it got completed within few seconds, and as you can see, all installation and activation has been completed within just few seconds. 5 plugins has been installed and activated as well. So it is very clear, and we can return to dashboard. Now we have installed the theme and the required set of plugins, and it is saying directory box alert DB structure need to be updated for the latest plugin compatibility. Okay, so just it is not directly required for you, and just ignore this. Okay, so we have now installed the theme and plugin sets, and yes, so now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. It is of course being the core look, the basic look of website, because it is not having any demo content. And if you are willing to make your website with your own wireframe, that means you don't want to use a pre-made website, you can start building your website scratch from here, and you shall be getting the complete functionality of the theme and associated plugins here. And yes, WordPress is known for the pre-made websites, and this is why it is being the most popular CMS on this earth now, in fact. So it is good to have a pre-made website, and now we may proceed to make a wonderful directory listing website like this, and this can be our target website, or even this. So let us proceed towards the demo content import, and after that I'll show you all the functionality, all the features in short what we got in this installation. So let us proceed for demo import, and the demo content import is laying under the directory tab, and it is import demo data option is here. And yes, this is being the very important screen, and that shows everything about the server requirements that you need to have for the complete installation of directory WordPress theme. So just check all this, all should be green, and once you find everything is green and perfect with your hosting, with your server, you can proceed further for importing the demo. And next is like same thing, and yes, so it is perfect, and move to next step. And now it is time to choose which demo we want to have on our website, and I am simply choosing the very good one. All are good in fact, so I am choosing this one, so this can be good for me, and you can choose any out of the available 3 or 4 options. So I am choosing this second one and moving to next step. Okay, so next screen is saying what exactly we want to import. So since it is being a new website, we have to select all, and by default it is already well checked, and all options has been checked here. So just proceed to next step. And now the importing demo is begin, And yes, this screen is going to take time. It may take up to 5 or 10 minutes depending upon your server capacity and internet speed. So you have to be here without refreshing or leaving this page. It is very important that let the process to be completed without any disruption, and don't hit the back button, don't refresh the page. I am telling you again, it is necessary activity. Don't disturb the process. Everything is going on, and the status is being shown on your screen. So your server should be very adequate for this activity, and this is why we recommend to have a pre-installed theme that comes on a well configured hosting plan, and you can get that by following the link given in the description of this video. And if you are already having a hosting plan even, or you are already having a domain, just try to have this pre-installed WordPress theme, because you can migrate later and it comes on a very reasonable price. This is why it is not going to pinch you, or it is not going to be heavy for your pocket as well. So your tension gets vanished if you get a pre-installed theme. So it is up to you. However, only theme only option is also available. Just follow the link given in the description of this video. And okay, so if you are having any concern about the installation process, or if you are having any question regarding this installation, so just follow the link, and this is being a single link through which you can get everything: theme, hosting, support, and so everything. So we can see the media import got failed, and rest of things has been imported successfully. So we can try for media import again, and it seems there is some connectivity issue, or navigation items successfully installed, unable to import the media attachments. So let us take a look of our website first. Okay, so it is not failed actually. We got a complete website here, and I can see this is this feature of push notification has been pre-built in this theme. This is being a great feature for your website. It helps in gaining the retaining visitors again and again, and for pushing the data which you want to show your visitors, returning visitors. And we got a wonderful website. So some media files is not here, but media is really not a big concern, because finally we are going to use our own images on media files. So what I'll try to import the media files separately once again, but it does not matter if it gets failed again. And we have an option to choose only what we want to import, and media attachments unselect all. So only media attachment is to be selected, since media was failed. So I am trying to import it again. It may get successful, I am not sure. I am just trying, and everything is on your screen. I never used to hide any installation steps. This is being the beauty of this channel. So what steps I am following, what I am facing is very clear to you, and you can take your buying decision accordingly. So this is being the objective of this video, to give you a complete overview of the directory box WordPress theme, and this is being the complete objective of this channel, to showcase the every feature of themes, plugins, and utilities. So it is very important that you should know what features you are going to get with the theme, plugins, and utilities, so that you may understand what actually you can do with your website, and what features you can add, or what is possible. So everything can be understand through these videos, and you are going to get a suitable website according to your need. So just watch the complete video, and related videos are also available, so you have to make your decision very wisely while choosing your WordPress theme, because ultimately your website depends on the theme. And media import is still going on. I believe something is coming, and meanwhile we can check what we are getting in the media section, and it may be working. So just open the media library in another tab, let it go, it is going on. And I just opened the media library, and I assume so there are multiple media files has already been imported, and as we can see 220 media files. Actually it is a big number, and it is great that we are getting the media files along with the demo content, so that we may use the required files. However, I recommend to use own media files, on images, and of course on text content. But yes, it is available in the demo. It is a good thing, and it will present a complete demo website for us. Okay, let us check where it is going, and again it is failed, but it does not matters. I am saying you again. So let us check the number again, and I am giving you a simple trick as well, so you can get all the media files if you really want to have this. It is 220 as of now. So what we will do, we will repeat the process. It is simple, and I believe that will work. Let us check, and just follow the same steps, and select 2, and check all is not working. Select all and check all is not working, so we have to do it manually. Okay, and media attachments are here. Let us try it again, and while it is running, you can check the number of files. If it is increasing, that means it is working. So just refresh this page, and if it is increasing after 220, so it is 224 now. So it is simple that it is increasing and it is working in the background. So we can keep repeating this step until we get all the media files has been imported message. So I believe it will work, so we have to repeat the process, and it is going on. Yes, I can understand it may be not looking very good to you, because it is something irritating process, but yes, ultimately we are going to get a wonderful website, so we have to follow this step. And I am just willing to show you how I am installing the theme, so that you may follow the same procedure and get the theme installed properly. Keep checking the number of media items, and just refresh the page. If you feel it is stuck anyhow, you can repeat the process. This is being a simple trick for importing the complete media file. It is applicable for any theme. It is now 262. It is really increasing, and we have to wait until it goes increasing. Okay, so it is again failed, and again I am repeating the process. Okay, finally I got this awaited message. This is congratulations, your demo data has been successfully imported. And now we can check the number of media files that we got in this demo import. So 280 media files has been supplied in the demo, and we have already this success message. So all done, have fun messages here. And now we can assume and visit our website, complete website in fact, and with all the media files. Yes, all media files are here, and this is being a great listing, directory listing website. And yes, everything is here, and we can check the functionality. So pages are here, and what we are looking for, home and hotels, I can simply click on the search. This is a great. So nothing is here because no data is here, 0 results. Okay, and I'm not sure what is being laying in the listing, but it is great feature that it is showing all the filters with this listing. And I wish to show you one of the listings. So let us check whether we have got the listings. So so WPDB is being the listing area where we are adding listings. Need maths teacher. Okay, so listings are here, and in fact there are multiple listings. So I can show you the listing as well, how it looks. Okay, so this is being one of the listing, and it is showing a perfect look of content, and it is perfect. So okay, now we can conclude that we have complete website and listings are working fine, and the website speed is really great, so I must tell you. And let us check the another features as well, so restaurants and all. So okay, so now it is time to show you the backend of this website. And okay, so we have this website as a result of our activity, and it is good. And I'll show you the backend features what we got in this installation. So I will show you only additional things that we got upon the WordPress. And directory we have already used. CS icon manager are here, fonts manager has been given. So it is not actually very important, however it is available just in case you want to use the icons and you want to change the icons, it can be helpful. Similarly, you can control the fonts given here, so it is an additional feature in fact. And import demo data we have already used, and customization option is here, so it can be very important because add quotation and all. I don't know what is this. This is quotation in fact. So let me go back. This is customization of quotation screen, that may be, and documentation is here. So this is being the available features. And basically I need to show the WPDB, that is the listing features, and this is being the heart of this website, and this is being the core features. So let us check the listings. Okay, so this is being the listing page, and you can add listing, and I'll show you the one of the listing fields what we have. And this total stats is being displayed here, and this is being the listing information page, and where we can add data. There are many options like general info, and these are having multiple fields, and opening hours of days, city, address, latitude, longitude, and all such things. So that is common but important for directory listing website. Accordingly, the package info is here, details, page settings, and FAQs. Okay, so these are the fields available in the listing. So we can also overview the add new listing page. This is being the same fields. Okay, so from this screen you are going to add your listing, and you can customize this screen as well. So it is depending on your requirement. Next is the locations. So we can decide and put new locations and edit the existing one as well. So country, under country there are location, and locations can be handled from this screen. Listing category is another important thing, where you have to make categories for your listing on which you want to cover your listing database. And listing tags similarly, claim flags. I'm just showing you the interface. It is not actually a customization video, it is just an overview video, so don't assume I'm going to show you any customization like things. If you need any particular customization and if you are having any trouble, just follow the link given in the description. We are available for you, and any customization is available with us. Even the theme level, code level customization we can do for you, so just ping us. And as you can see, the members is area is here, so messages. So okay, everything is here that we need for our listing website, and this is review, and this is being the setting. Okay, so this is being the setting, and this is the control where we can put the required setting that we need for our listing. So general options, user header setting, and this can be considered as the theme option in fact, because this is being the main setting screen. Account setting, single listing options, so yes, this is Yelp places and single listing options. Currencies, so you can decide the currency, payment setting, API setting, map setting, map nearby places, location settings, social auto poster, social login, ads management, SMTP configuration, this is also important, promotion setting, email alert setting, import export, advanced settings, and reviews. So this is being the chimp setting in fact, so that is available in the theme installation itself. So it is all for you, and you can set the parameters that you need for your website. And next is, we have completed the WPDB now, and next is alerts and emails that we need to send and get for notification and all the listing like features. So listing messages, and it can be again handled, and the content can be edited using this screen. So review, approve, notification for user, and this is being the template of alerts. So you have to be careful while editing this screen, so don't disturb or don't replace the words or sentences that you actually don't want to use. So just keep it default if you are not sure. And packages are another thing. So it is listing packages. For listing website, it is very important because generally listing websites offer the listing with a pricing plan, so you have to maintain your listing packages from this screen. And if you are offering free listing, you can even edit these packages, and you can start a free package as well, so like basic, advanced, gold, simple, and also so you can add a free plan as well. But yes, it is a great feature, and you can control the listing packages from these options. So transactions of these packages can be seen here. Promotions you can have for your packages, and package orders, you can see if you are getting any package orders, and even you can add package orders manually from this screen. So I'll show you the screen fields as well. This is being the manual addition of package. However, it shall be coming from the front end. If you are getting any order, it will be displayed here. Price tables again is an important thing. So compare table is here, and you can add new price table as well. Okay, so these are package 1, 2, 3 and all sections that you want to show in the pricing table. So package is complete now. And appearance, we have already installed the theme, and now it is being the main control of website. This is that I shown already in the settings for listing part, and now I am going to show you CS theme option, that is for main website part. This is setting for main website. This is being the theme panel. So global setting is here, And so layout, you can select background color, responsive, expert settings, and okay. Header part, so here is the logo part. You can change the logo from this screen, and yes, so we have to use this screen for our customizing our website. Like logo was missing, so what I'll do, open image in new tab. Okay, so this is being the logo. I am saving image and the downloads itself. Okay, so I'll place this logo to our website because logo is missing from our website. Let us check how it works. And I'm putting this logo, browse downloads, logo, add file. It is very simple, so I'm just checking everything is fine. Yes, it got completed, and let us refresh our website. So yes, logo is here, so it is very simple. I was just tweaking, everything is fine. So footer message can be changed here. Okay, contact us area content can be changed here. Logo width can be decided, height can be decided, header search can be on or off. Okay, this is also very important. And similarly, subheader option you can control from here, and you can select the subheader if you want to do so. And footer can be controlled, footer content can be changed here. And yes, social icons, social sharing, colors you can handle from this screen. So general colors, you can change the complete color of your website. This is being the important if you really want to customize your website in terms of color, and theme color can be changed. So option is here, header options, and all colors in fact can be handled, footer and heading colors. Typography control has been given to you, and you can choose your fonts and size. Sidebar can be handled, so blog sidebar, contact us, and different sidebars here are here, and you can remove these sidebars, and you can even add your own sidebar as you want. This is also very important. So sidebar is always supplementary content part, so this also gives a very good navigation to your website, and you can also feature your required content to the sidebar. So this is being the important if you want to make your own sidebar, and you can even use the existing ones. Auto update, it is just update feature, import export, and maintenance mode. So you can keep the website in maintenance mode just in case if you are making your website or your website in development process. So rest of things are common as in WordPress, and local translate has been given separately, that is used for translation purposes and for different languages. Okay, so everything is fine with this theme, and I have already told you. Just in case you have any question, just feel free to pinging us. I will definitely try and support you in the any manner which may be possible for me. And just go for this theme. It is a perfect theme. It is working very fast in fact, and the speed is the key for success of any website nowadays, and you shall be getting a wonderful website using this theme, I'm sure now. And create a wonderful website with all the features of directory and listing websites. So we shall meet in our next video, that I'm coming with the themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.